Hi guys, welcome to this session in LibreOffice Calc. In this module I want to show you how you can use some simple form controls to automatically increase the cell contents, in this case actual weight and target weight. So if I click on these, when you first click on these you'll get these little boxes which allows you to move these around and resize them, etc. Because by default, if you go to the Tools tab at the top, this is set to design mode. If I click that off, this then becomes active. So if I now start using it, incrementing this, you can see that these numbers are increasing by 1. This is just a little formula there to take away J6 actual weight from target weight. That's that there. So what I want to do is recreate this little table. So if I just copy the titles, all 4 of them, so just Control C to copy, and let's bring it down here, Control V. So the date is today, so I'll put today's date in there, and then I'm just going to put a target. I'll put 0 in there actually, and 0, and then I'll do the formula that's going to work that out. So it's going to be equals that minus that. Just tick that off, we get 0. Just check that works. Actual weight 23, yeah, 2. 25 minus 2 from the target. So that's what I want, and let's just do a little border for this. Now to get these, you need, if you go to the tools section, first of all you need to put this toggle design mode on, and then you've got these features here, but the one I want, the spinner control, which is this, is not sitting in this set here, and if you go into tools, it's not sitting there either. So what you have to do is go and get the form toolbar on the screen. So if you go to view toolbars, you've got form controls there. That's the same as that, but a few extra ones. As you can see at the bottom there, you've got these 2 extra ones, scroll bar and spin button. So click on the spin button, then you just draw it where you want it to be, and I want 2. Now with that design button on, if you right click, you've got control and form, because these are used for forms really, but you can use them on a normal sheet. Control properties. What I need to do is set this to more than 100 as a maximum, so I'll put that to 300. You can put it to 500 or 1000 if you want, but the key thing here is I need this to link to this cell. So that's column J, J17. So I'll just type J17 in there and then close this box, and then I'll do the same. This is going to be K17. So into this control properties, change that to whatever you want. There is a limit on that, and then the key, this is the link cell K17, and then just click that away. Now you're still in design mode, so go to tools, knock design mode off, and then see if it works. So that's now incrementing by 1, and that's incrementing by 1 as well. So if I put that to an actual weight, let's say I weigh 120 pounds, if only, and my target weight is 110. So let's say my actual weight goes down. That's changing because the form is picking that up. And if I go below the target, it goes to a minus, so I'm one pound under my target. So this is just a very short video of how you can use form controls in a normal spreadsheet to manipulate some cell information like that, in this case increasing the actual weight in pounds or the target weight in pounds. So hopefully you thought that was useful. Thank you for your time, and I'll see you on the next one.